Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing and removing the old band so you can install the new one cleanly. First, confirm the band width and lug type. 20 mm quick release is common, so the replacement fits. Once done, power off or lock the watch to prevent accidental taps while you work. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth, then free the spring bar or push the quick release pin. Use a small screwdriver if needed. This gives you a stable, scratch-free workspace to continue. Now attach the new band with care so it stays secure during daily use. Align the spring bars into the lug holes and compress them evenly. If you have a quick-release lever, slide and lock it into place. Make sure both ends seat simultaneously. One end must click before the other to avoid misalignment. Once attached, tug gently and twist slightly to verify there's no play. If you feel movement, remove and reseat the bar until it snaps firmly into the lug. Finish by fitting and testing so the watch works comfortably and reliably. Adjust the clasp or holes for a snug but breathable fit. You should be able to slide a finger under the band. Then test sensors, buttons, and the watch orientation to confirm nothing is blocked. If you notice looseness or a creak, replace the spring bar with a higher quality one or ensure you use the correct band width. If problems persist, try a different band or consult a quick repair guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.